In this guide video, we're going to go over the dietary and allergen labels available for each menu item you have. Now this is a new one I've added. It's a chicken sauté with peanut sauce. And if we can look over at the dietary labels, now these are always optional. And it's better to be sure than to click something that you're not sure about. The options for things that will be shown as a green badge are vegan, gluten-free, low sodium, kosher, vegetarian, dairy-free, or halal. A user can filter for items that only meet these criteria. Now these ones that are shown as yellow have peanuts, shellfish, dairy, soy, tree nuts, fish, eggs, sesame. The user will be able to filter to eliminate all things marked as containing these. So once again, it's very important to be sure about these. And if you do offer substitutions for a dish containing these, you can check this box. But once again, be sure. Now the other thing that you can choose is a spice tolerance level. If you choose medium, then you can filter for any dishes that are 2 peppers, 1 peppers, or no peppers. And that will exclude all dishes that have 3 peppers. And so someone can use the filter for that, and I'll demonstrate that in a moment. Now for this dish, I lived in Indonesia and ate this all the time. I'm pretty sure it's halal. Plus this is not a real restaurant, so I'm going to use that. Now I know that peanut sauce contains peanuts, so I'm going to mark that. Now, if we look at our item here, it shows halal, it shows containing peanuts, and it shows our spiciness indicator. And if we go up to here and show only items that are halal, then that's the only item that's going to show. And if we hide dishes containing peanuts, well, that's going to go. Now you will notice that the only filtering items here are ones that are actually in use. Despite there being 15 different things you could click, the only ones that show in this search menu are ones that actually appear on a menu item. And then for the spiciness, no spice, it goes away. Too much spice for you. 1 spice doesn't come back. 2 spice, chicken sauté with peanut sauce is right. If you have a hot taste, like hot stuff, then it's still going to show up on your menu. And that is how these things work. Now it is very important to be as accurate as you can, and as a backup, on every menu there is a short allergy notice telling diners with dietary and allergen information comes from the restaurant and to check with staff before ordering. And under administration, site content, there is an allergy notice here. Always shown on your menu. You can word it yourself, but it can't be switched off. It's the only allergen warning your diners will always see. You can word it yourself or go with the default. And it's important to note that this is deliberately a site-wide setting, not a per dish one, because cross-contamination is a property of a kitchen rather than an individual plate, and you shouldn't have to tick shared kitchen on every single one of your dishes. It also renders outside of the search filter, so a diner searching for soup can't accidentally hide an allergy warning. And that is one thing I forgot to mention. Under the search bar is only on the home screen, that if I were to search for cheese, then only cheese appears. And that is how those things work together to help your customers get what they're looking for as quickly and easily as possible, and safely.